One of the most beautiful moments of a woman's life is when she comes to know that she is about to give birth to a new life. The whole family rejoice because of the upcoming guest. But what if all of us suddenly get to know that the mother has high blood sugar and all the high spirits suddenly convert into sadness?
India has become hub of diabetes. In our younger generation, whether male or female, it's being diagnosed very frequently. And pregnancy occurs in younger age, so gestational diabetes has also become very common during pregnancy. Government of India has recommended that every pregnant female should be tested for gestational diabetes. In India, every fifth or sixth pregnant female is being diagnosed to be having hyperglycemia during pregnancy.
So after this small introduction about gestational diabetes, there are certain questions that may arise into our mind, such as,
am I at a risk of developing gestational diabetes?
What are the symptoms of gestational diabetes?
How does gestational diabetes affect pregnancy?
How can I have a healthy pregnancy with gestational diabetes?
what is the difference between gestational diabetes and diabetes mellitus?
So come, let's have a look on each of it.
Normal serum glucose level in gestational diabetes vary from diabetes mellitus. In diabetes mellitus, normal female have less than 100 mg per dl. 2 hours after meal, it is less than 140 mg per dl. But in pregnancy, normal female has less than 92 mg per dl. 2 hours after meal, it is less than 120 mg per dl. About 5 to 10% of all pregnant women get gestational diabetes. You are more likely to develop gestational diabetes if you are of age 25 years or older, have close relative who has diabetes, take medications like glucocorticoids and beta blockers. Symptoms of gestational diabetes are feeling nauseous, feeling thirsty, feeling tired, having blurred vision. Effects of gestational diabetes on pregnancy are risk of high blood pressure, early labor, macrosomia, that is bigger baby than normal, chances of infection, difficult delivery, instrumental vaginal delivery, higher chances of neonatal hypoglycemia. You can have a healthy pregnancy in gestational diabetes if you stick to your diet plan, monitor blood sugar, do regular exercise and go to prenatal appointments.
प्रेगनेंसी में डायबिटीज़ को कंट्रोल करना इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है। हालांकि हमारे देश में अभी तक अप्रूव्ड थेरेपीज़ में इंसुलिन ही एकमात्र इलाज माना जाता है, पर दवाइयों के ऊपर भी काम चल रहा है और जल्दी ही बहुत सारी ओरल मेडिसिन भी इसके लिए शायद अप्रूव हो जाएं। एक हाल में की गई स्टडी के अनुसार 94% महिलाएं जो कि जेस्टेशनल डायबिटीज से पीड़ित थी, उनमें मेडिकल न्यूट्रिशन थेरेपी यानी डाइट मैनेजमेंट एंड ऑप्टिमम फिजिकल थेरेपी से डायबिटीज़ को कंट्रोल किया जा सका। और हम ये देख सकते हैं कि मेडिकल न्यूट्रिशन थेरेपी के दौरान वो अपने खाने की मात्रा को एक बार में बहुत अधिक ना लेना और उसको मल्टीपल टाइम्स में स्प्लिट करके खाना, ये एकमात्र ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि हमें लाभ पहुंचा सकती है।
50% of the doctor during pregnancy do not do a blood sugar. This should be changed immediately. Every pregnant should have a blood sugar before, during and after pregnancy, and they must avoid weight gain, abnormal weight gain during pregnancy and after pregnancy. Then and then only we can have a diabetes-free generation in India.
All of us should take a pledge that every pregnant female will be tested for gestational diabetes.
यदि हम भारत में बढ़ती हुई डायबिटीज़ को रोकना चाहते हैं और आने वाली जनरेशन्स में डायबिटीज़ को ना होने देना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए गर्भावस्था में डायबिटीज़ को रोकना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Female gender is key for diabetes prevention, and all of us should focus on fitness for the future. That is only by way of avoiding India becoming diabetic capital of the world. Thank you.